Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best Bluetooth receiver available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, a sync-in Bluetooth receiver. This Bluetooth audio adapter is a simple yet highly effective solution for adding wireless streaming to existing speakers, home stereo systems, powered PC speakers, and S/V receivers. Pairing is quick and effortless with a single multifunction button that handles power, Bluetooth connection, and automatic reconnection to previously paired devices, making everyday use incredibly convenient. Its reliable wireless range of up to 30 to 40 feet indoors provides stable audio streaming without requiring you to stay close to the receiver. The adapter works seamlessly with most Bluetooth-enabled smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers, allowing you to enjoy music, podcasts, and other audio without messy cables. Setup is straightforward, and the compact design fits neatly into any entertainment or desktop setup. Next up, we have Yamaha Bluetooth receiver. This 5.1-channel AV receiver delivers an impressive home theater experience by combining powerful surround sound with modern connectivity and advanced video support. Its immersive audio performance creates a spacious, cinematic soundstage that enhances movies, gaming, music, and live sports with remarkable clarity and depth. HDMI 2.1 connectivity with HDCP 2.2, 4K Ultra HD pass-through, HDR10, Dolby Vision, Hybrid Log Gamma, and BT.2020 compatibility ensures stunning picture quality and seamless integration with the latest TVs and gaming consoles. Built-in Bluetooth allows convenient wireless music streaming from smartphones and tablets, while HDMI-CC simplifies system control using a single remote. The adjustable audio delay helps maintain perfect audio-video synchronization, and YPO auto-calibration intelligently optimizes speaker settings for your room, delivering balanced, accurate sound with minimal setup. Coming in at number 3, Donner Bluetooth receiver. The Donner 4-channel stereo receiver is a versatile home audio amplifier that delivers impressive power and flexibility for music lovers, karaoke enthusiasts, and multi-room speaker setups. With a peak output of 1000 watts and 4 independently controlled channels, it easily drives multiple 4 to 8 ohm speakers while maintaining clean, balanced sound for both casual listening and entertaining. The upgraded multifunction remote is a standout feature, allowing convenient adjustment of treble, mid-range, bass, echo, and talkover settings across all input modes without needing to access the front panel. Its straightforward design makes installation and daily operation simple, while the customizable sound controls let users tailor the audio to different music styles or vocal performances. Whether powering a home entertainment system, small event, or karaoke setup, this receiver offers dependable performance, user-friendly controls, and excellent value for those seeking a capable, feature-rich audio amplifier. Now at number 4, Sony Bluetooth receiver. This stereo receiver is an excellent centerpiece for a home audio system, delivering clean, powerful sound with 100 watts per channel that easily drives a wide range of 6 to 16 ohm speakers. Its extensive connectivity, including a dedicated phono input for turntables, for stereo RCA inputs, a 3.5mm auxiliary input, and stereo RCA output, makes it easy to integrate both modern and classic audio equipment. Built-in Bluetooth adds the convenience of wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it simple to enjoy music, podcasts, and playlists without extra adapters. The ability to connect up to 4 speakers with AB switching offers flexible multi-room or zone listening, while the built-in FM tuner with 30 presets provides additional entertainment options. Its slim, low-profile design fits neatly into most AV cabinets, making this receiver a versatile, reliable, and great value choice for everyday home listening. And finally, our last pick, Woopker Bluetooth receiver. This compact stereo amplifier delivers impressive performance for its size, making it an excellent choice for small apartments, bedrooms, offices, garages, or bookshelf speaker setups. With a rated output of 50 WX2 RMS, it provides clean, balanced sound with warm mids, clear vocals, and enough power to fill smaller spaces without distortion. Its wide range of input options, including Bluetooth, RCA, USB, SD card, microphone, and other external audio sources, offers exceptional versatility for music playback, karaoke, and everyday entertainment. Dedicated bass and treble controls allow users to fine-tune the sound to match different speakers and personal listening preferences, creating a more enjoyable audio experience. The compact design fits neatly on a desk or shelf without taking up valuable space, while the straightforward controls make operation simple for any user. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.